Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a mug of beer. So I've got a beer mug shaped sugar cookie here, and I've got a piping consistency white royal icing with a number 2 tip, and I'm outlining the glass as well as the handle. And I'm also going to outline the base, so a small 1 centimeter base as the bottom of the mug. And I'm going to use a flooding consistency white royal icing here with a squeeze bottle, and I'm going to fill in the bottom as well as the handle. And I'll use my scribe tool to get rid of any air bubbles. Next, I'm going to let this crust over a little bit, and I'm going to flood in the mug itself with a golden yellow royal icing, and this is a flooding consistency that I have here in a squeeze bottle. And I'll use my scribe tool to get it all towards the edges and get rid of any air bubbles. And you can use any sort of yellow. You could even go for a brown or a red or whatever color that you want to go for the variety of beer that you're going for. I'm going for some sort of lager or cider here with that bright yellow color. And I've got my squeeze bottle again with the white flooding consistency, and I'm doing a few stripes in the yellow while it's still wet, and that's going to be the ridges on the mug. So I've let this completely dry, and I'm re-outlining the outside, and I'm going to do a little bit of an outline around those white stripes that I flooded into the yellow, and that'll make them look a bit more three-dimensional and more like ridges. And next I've got that same white piping consistency, but I fitted it with a number 3 tip, and I'm just doing a series of small little circles or dots or bubbles. Basically that's what we're making. We're making lots of foam in the top, and you just make several different sizes. You can make big ones, small ones, just to give it a bit of a variety. And at this point you could leave it the way it is because it does look very nice and foamy. But what I'm also going to do is add a few white sprinkles, just those little tiny ones. And then I'm also going to add a few white sugar pearls to make it look a bit more three-dimensional. And then you could just use your scribe tool to get rid of any excess sprinkles. This one's kind of giving me a bit of a tough time. And there we go. We've got a big tall mug of foamy beer here. And it'd be perfect for Father's Day, which is what I made this particular cookie for. It'd be also great for like a barbecue party or anything like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!